Good morning, and just doing a little repair this morning at Espresso. I'll show you the machine. Hang on one second, you don't want to look at my face all day. Alright, so we are doing a repair on this, I think it's called Quick Mill. It's very similar to a Rocket or many other Italian espresso machines. On this particular machine, it had a faulty pressure stat, and what that means is the temperature just kept going up and up and up, so we've changed that, but we're just giving it a service this morning as well. And as you can see, I've pulled the seal down. You can see it's supposed to be soft rubber, which it's not, and lack of back flushing the machine. You can see here, I don't know if you can see, but it's literally no holes in there. So get a lot of people asking, what do we do with that? Do we throw it out, buy a new one? Straight on top of a gas burner and burn all the oils out. You can see all that glowing. That's just all burnt coffee coming out. You want to make sure you don't tap it out of shape, so and if it's not too hot, which it probably is, and it's too hot. Yeah, we're just going to handle it carefully. Yeah, pair of pliers. Let's have a look inside. Look at that. Yeah, so that's all it takes to clean out a filthy screen that hasn't been backwashed every day. I say to people that are using machines for home at least once a week. In a commercial situation like a cafe, you'd want to do it every day. But look at that. Come up nice and clean. Just needs a slight wash and it's as good as new.